Okay, now we are introducing the 9100N, the center controller. As you can see here, on the front there are 8 pieces of signal indicator. It is capable to output RS-232, 422 and 485 signal. And if the green lamp is blinking, it means it's outputting the signal, and the red line blinking is for inputting signal. And in the following is the IR output signal indicator. Also, we have 8 channels of IR output in our center controller here. Okay, as you can see on the right side, this part is the touch screen of the center controller. In the touch screen, you can set the IP for the center controller, and also you can check some status of the machine as well. Okay, let's check about the back. As you can see, this part, this is the IR port. It has 8 IR port, and the S represents the passive and the G represents negative. So you can connect your IR bar here and then use the controller to send out the IR signal to control the other device like AC and television and some other IR devices. Okay, next to the IR port, it will be our IO input and output port. The IR output port is capable to output a 0 to 5 voltage electro signal. So we can use this kind of IR port to realize a trigger or something. And next to it is the relay port. Also, we have 8 pieces of relay port. We can use the relay port to control the device like relay, the power sequencer, and on and off of the big screens and something like that. And next to it is the net interface port. This port is especially to integrate with our touch screen controller. Okay, in the bottom there are also 8 pieces of serial ports. These serial ports are capable to output RS-232, 485 or 422 signal, and each port has their own functions. For Z and Y, we use it to output RS-485 signal, and for ZYBA, we use it for RS-422. And for the TX, RX, and the G port, we especially use it for the RS-232 signal outputs. And following the serial port is the TF card input port. We can use this TF card to save the programming or upload the programming, downloading the programming. Okay, so the next one is the network port for the controller. Okay, that's all for the introduction of this center controller.